Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Kadet Sanjaya. You can call me Sanjaya. And you?
I am Iwayan Tommy Praditya. You can call me Tommy. Where are you from?
I am from Kintamani.
Where do you live?
I live in Ternate.
How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing volleyball.
What is your job?
I am still in school. Where are you from?
I am from Kintamani Serai Philip.
Where do you live?
I live in Batu Bulan.
With who do you live in Matubla?
I live with brother.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing volleyball.
Where do you school?
I school in Mediterranean Bali,
What is your major?
majoring food production department. Okay, saya I will go to home.
Okay, Tommy. See you later.
Thank you.
You're welcome.